to AWS Community Day Chennai 2026. This event is happening after 6 years of pause, but the organizers have made sure they have a great lineup of speakers and also an agenda that you will find value in it. There are technical topics and non-technical topics as well, but in my interest, I'm going to talk to you about 3 skills that's going to be very important for you to future-proof your career, for your learning journey, and also if you're running a business. Skill number 1, ability to think clearly and write clearly. Let's go back in time and recall the memories where your school teacher asked you to write an essay about a certain topic. Unless you skip that class, you would remember it was about my world. It's about a pet. It's about your family and many other topics as well. What your teacher was trying to do was getting you to think, comprehend, and also to write. That's a very important skill in this day and age of AI. Because for AI to build a certain system, you really need to know what your exact requirements are, what your spec would look like. If you're someone by coding, you would know if you ask the AI to think about a certain topic and start building things, it might not be the same output that you wanted. Here's an idea. Get a piece of paper, write down the app idea that you have, or the system that you are observing, or maybe it can be some other topic that you're very passionate about. Write it down, let your thoughts flow, and then you will see how beautifully that you're able to write. The more that you practice, the more you will start to practice your brain. Skill number 2, having the ability to think like an architect. I've been having interesting conversations with engineering leaders for the past couple of months. One of the topics that we always spoke about is the future of software engineering and how that will be changed with the advent of AI. One of the key insights that they shared with me is that the roles are collapsing. That means if you're a software engineer, you also need to think like an architect now, because you are no longer needed to code. There's an agentic AI system which can build this code for you. But what matters is how well do you know to build this system. Skill number 3, ability to learn something very quickly. The ability to learn quickly is your superpower in this environment. It's not about being a genius. It's about having the humility to admit you don't know everything and the discipline to go out and to learn what you need to know. This is how you stay relevant. This is how you adapt to a situation. If you are someone who wants to learn about AI and keep up with these AI trends, I would recommend you do these 2 things. First of all, have a solid foundation. Second, learn practical. To have a solid foundation, I cannot emphasize enough how much important it is or how much valuable it would be for you to prepare